Hi guys! So we are going to make a freshly baked batch of choco banana bread today. It is a healthier and tastier version of the traditional banana bread recipe, loaded with extra fibers, good fats and all the warmth you need. It is surely a nutritionally wholesome experience to indulge in without any guilt whatsoever. So let's walk through the magic mixture ingredients of this super moist and flavorful choco banana bread. Here's what you need. I'll measure 2 cups of whole wheat flour and half cup of oats flour. 1 tablespoon of chia seeds. I will soak them in 2 tablespoons of water. It will swell up and give gelatin-like texture which we need for the gooiness of the bread. 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon and a pinch of nutmeg for that extra flavor and aroma. 1/4 cup of walnuts. I'll break them into small pieces. 1 cup of prunes, 1/3 cup of maple syrup and 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. Now I'll take 1 level teaspoon of baking powder and baking soda each. 3/4 cup of Urban Platter rich cocoa oats milk. 200 grams of dark chocolate. 2 to 3 bananas. To get started, I'll chop the prunes and add 1/4 cup of Urban Platter rich cocoa oats milk to make prunes soft. I just churned it in my food processor to make a coarse paste. I don't need a smooth paste, so take care, just a bit of churn and your sweet prunes mix is ready. Let's get my big bowl and whisk. I'll sieve the flour, cocoa powder, baking soda and baking powder. This, as you all know, will add air to our bread. I don't sieve the oats flour as I need the coarse texture of oats flour in my bread. Now I'll add cinnamon and nutmeg and mix it to make it airy. Now take the bananas and mash them well with a fork. Mash, mash, mash. Wow, looks yum. Add the soaked chia seeds, maple syrup and vanilla essence. Combine these ingredients together and now add the prune paste to the mix. I don't personally like to use refined sugar as the natural sweetness of bananas, prunes, maple syrup all combined are enough to satisfy the sweet buds. You can still add sugar if you like. Now I'm adding this wet mixture to my dry mixture. You can see that mixture is still dry. I'll now add Urban Platter rich cocoa oats milk. Add as much as you require to give the bread correct consistency. I need it of medium flour consistency. You'll probably get a good hand muscle workout while making this batter. Mix it well. This milk will nourish the bread with all the cocoa richness and the flavor you need. You want the texture to hit the medium sweet spot where it is not too runny, not dry. Now let's add chocolate chunks, cranberries and walnuts. You can add raisins and almonds too. I personally like walnuts and dark chocolate and berries. I'll mix all these nicely and see, it's already looking amazing. In the meantime, I did some back work. I have preheated my oven to 250 Fahrenheit and I have greased my baking tin with coconut oil. I'll add this bread mix to my tin and bake it for 20 to 30 minutes. Once your toothpick comes out clean, you're good to go. Well, now it's time to finally indulge in this wholesome treat. Wow, this looks so good. You can share this with your family members or keep it all for yourself. You can also pair it with a cup of filtered coffee, just like I did. I hope you like this recipe and I'm looking forward to hear from you. Bye-bye.